in a way we laid a basis, that we addressed the sphere in which we want to work, in which we want to address our life forces, or in the way they are enhanced through the nerves in which the light forces flow. And one level is the qualities which have to do with the O, with the forces of wisdom and love. And just stand upright. Recall a little bit the very first exercise we did. And thinking back to it already helps it to become present in us. And then when we create this O gesture, let's try to do it in those 4 steps from the heart. The heart moves the hands through the first quarter of a circle. The heart moves the arms through the second quarter of the circle. The heart continues moving the arms through the circle, and one continues into the other one. And maybe with the 4th impulse you give, you might feel that your hands come back to your chest through the other arm. And then just let go, return to yourself and let go. And don't put any pressure on you, and especially do not think you have to do something. It's just, can you have the feeling that you go through here, that you go through here, that you continue here, and that you continue here, and that this part somehow feels touched from both sides after you just had this 4 inner activities going on. One more time, and just to begin with, just relax your legs. They are never stiff, they always can move slightly, react to what you do. The whole body reacts to what you do. First, second, then try to continue. Try to continue and to arrive at yourself. And let your breath react. Going out in order to arrive at yourself. We do it above our head, from the heart. 1, first, beginning a second moment to finish the circle. A third moment to feel the counter picture down in our body, and then to sense how this feels for our whole being. Let go and keep this sensation alive a little bit. Breathe. We do it downwards from the heart, around everything we can encompass there. We fill it with attentiveness and create through this the circle above our shoulders. And again we sense, how is this doing? Is it the same as before? We return to our center. Let go and make a little step. And breathe. And behind. From the heart, around the curve. Feeling it. And noticing the sensation, our collarbones, in our uprightness. And let go. And just notice how nice it is to let go of the arms. And you remember, we practice to put this activity, to bring it down into our steps. And the idea is that you're not creating an impulse for the leg which goes forward, but you create an impulse in the standing leg, which lifts you a little bit and pushes the standing leg backwards, and thus making you moving forward. And it's all about trying. It's not about performing something. So just stand upright. Create from the heart the round O gesture behind. Fill it with warmth, love, attentiveness. And now give a little bit of pressure into your upper arms, and maybe the legs, the feet, receive it. And just enjoy how nice it is to let the arms go. Breathe, return to where you started, that you can have another go. And we repeat it one more time. We create the circle. We fill it with warmth, love. The body reacts and the arms bring it down into the standing leg, the carrying leg. And then let go. Oh, how beautiful. And breathe. Just go back to where you started to do something which has a relation to this. And again, we start with the O, but then we continue differently. From the heart towards behind. Feel this O. Feel this joy. And then just let go. And notice how nice it is that the arms are carried forward. And then just put your hands, the back ends of the hands, in front of you and let go a little bit. And let it sink down. And then just let go. When the arms just come back by themselves, the upper arms carry them backwards. Very slowly, they are carried. Bring them together in the back, what way ever, and then just let them sink down a little bit. And the legs follow. Connect with what's down there in the earth. Then let the arms go again. The upper arms bring them. And now when the arms are carried forward, allow your body to follow a few steps. Bring the arms together and follow it. Let go down there. This brings you up again. The arms become wide. And like a sort of wings, these arms carry you carefully backwards. Do not run into a table or anything, just be careful. And then the arms meet a little bit. Let go. And the arms come up. They carry you forward. And let go again. And don't worry how you do in the back, just the way you feel well. Let go Do not carry your arms up. They come by themselves. They carry you. And let go. And down there, let go again. And just stand upright. Come back to your center. And breathe. And to finish, just turn the hands in a way that the back of the hands looks backwards. And that it feels a little bit like the shoulder blades. Yeah, and if you feel into your arms, continue into your arms, and even the back of the hands becomes part of your shoulder blades. And just relax your pelvis and your arms a little bit. And then experiment. What do you have to do that the arms start rising by themselves, that they feel okay, they like to go upwards. And don't go higher than feels well. And after a while, just experiment. How do I have to feel my body? That my arms feel carried down and sink slowly downwards. And let your breath react. Feel this connection of the shoulder blades through the back of the arms and hands. And search for what do I have to do that my arms feel light. And they climb, that they might even meet up there. And then, how do I have to listen into my movement? That the movement just enjoys to be so slowly and feels so carried. Just relax your arms. Breathe. Make a little step forward. And let your breath flow. Slowly sit down and take along what you've just been in. What are your first perceptions coming to your mind? On which level ever? Sense perceptions, thoughts, feelings. States of mind, and try to connect it with what you perceive in your body. Don't force yourself to anything. If you notice tiny little things, I can sense the toes on my left foot much better than those of my right foot. But those on my right foot are much more interesting than those at my left foot. These are fantastic discoveries. They won't come back. It's now that you can discover these things. And how do you feel yourself when you have these observations? How do yourself like to look into your body? Also take this as a perception. Perceive how it is for you to perceive something.